Hello, I'm Joffrey Manjala and this is my video demo for experiment number 4. So for the first part of the experiment, which is the basic LCD control, we have to input this code into the EdSim simulator. So I have already the code here in my notepad. So let's just paste it. Then we press assemble and then run. We can see that it spelled the word Mapua, and I have already set the update frequency to 100 because it will be too slow when it's set to 1. So and then we are asked to input our surname, so we will be doing this. And then this. And then MOV38H will be our end of data marker. So when we press assemble and run, it should display my surname, which is Mendiola. There we have it. And we were also asked to change the delay to FFFFH. So here, we'll change this to FFFFH. And then when we press run, it still produces the same output, but we can see that it was noticeably slower when we increase the value of the delay. Now for the part 2 of the experiment, which is the LCD character display. So now we have to make our surname, my surname, appear backwards without changing the MOV registers. So to do this, first, here, our end of data marker will be changed to before the first letter of my surname. So it started at 38, so I will be using 29H. So I'll be removing that. So next, if we scroll down, we will see the MOV R1. So the starting location should be changed to the last digit, which is 37H, which is the letter A. And then we will set the increment to decrement so that it will move backwards, and it will stop at the first letter. So it will start at letter A and it will stop at letter M. So let's test this out. Assemble and run. So there we have it. This is my surname spelled backwards. So now we are asked to change again the delay value to the decimal 50. To change it to 50, assemble and run. so it displays significantly faster. And now let us try the decimal value 10. So there, it also displayed noticeably faster. Let's try again. So when we set it to 10, it did not display anything because the delay of 10 is lower than the minimum limits of the simulator. So let us try higher than 10. Let's say 20. So it's still an error. So it must be set at least let's try lower than 50. So it can accommodate still below 50, which is 40, but when we set it too low, the program will result in an error. So to conclude this experiment, we have displayed first the Mapua in the LCD display, and then we change the letters to display my surname. We changed the delay, and we saw that there was a significant change in how fast the display is presented to us. And then we are tasked to display my surname backwards, and to do this we had to change the end of data marker to before the surname and change the increment to decrement so that it will move backwards. And then we set MOV37H, which is the last letter, to be the first data to be read. And that is it for this experiment. Thank you for watching.